So let's learn about the model analysis. For model analysis, we required following instrument: one computer data analyzer or FFT analyzer, we call it; accelerometer, it may be one, or if you have more than that, you can take it. So in this case, we will take 2 accelerometer at a time. Then one cantilever beam or a specimen. Then impact hammer. Impact hammer should be connected with BNC cables, and there is a dead weight. For example, here is my, you can see, just wait, I'll show you here in this. So this is my FFT analyzer. Then I have a impact hammer. You can see that. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here here is the tip. You can see that it is having a rubber tip. So the tip can be changed, and accordingly the excitation frequency can be changed, isn't it? If you hit some same structure with a hard object, you will get different noise. If you hit the same object with a soft this material, then you will get different excitation or noise. So the same principle is applied here. In order to excite the lower frequency, I'll use here rubber. Then there is a weight here or 250 gram just to give impact. Then we have a sensor. Here is my sensor. If you can see this is PCB sensor. This is PCB sensor here. This one is a PCB sensor. Now this is a BNK cable. I am connecting with my channel number.
So you can share your own screen while displaying, because it's very small. So your picture is showing very small. That's why.
So
So
I'll how to that.
your own screen, if you can.
No screen is required. Like means don't I don't require sharing. I required.
Yes, sir, you are not required to share the screen, because I think.
Okay, let's see. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Now it's yes. Sir. So now you are visible.
Just wait. I just want to increase this one. Actually, okay. So now it is visible, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is my. This one is impact hammer. Now I'm connecting my 2 accelerometer here. I have a 2 accelerometer. This is 1 accelerometer, and this one is my. I'm connected to connecting it to point number 2, channel number 2. Okay, and I'll connect it to cantilever beam I have. I'll show the diagram as well. Then I have a second accelerometer here. I'm connecting it to channel number 3. Channel number 3. The whole my system is ready to work. So I'm connecting it to now computer. This is my computer. Now if I show you this, here is my can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll use mobile phone here. Okay. Very good. Okay. This is my, can, just wait. There are so many things actually. Okay. So here is my, this is my cantilever beam. Can you see this? It is fixed.
Yes, sir.
And there are two accelerometers I have connected. Okay. Now what
Yes.
I will do is, in order to acquire data, I have two options. One is to I'll take at data vibration data at every 2 inch distance. So first I'll excite here, then I'll excite here, then I'll excite here, and then I excite here. Okay, like this. There are
Yes.
two options. If you have, you can change the location of the accelerometer, or you can change this position of the exciter, that is impact hammer. So instead of changing the location of the accelerometer, I'll change here the location of the impact hammer. Okay.
Side. Impact. Yes.
So this is how we'll conduct this experiment. Now let us try to see the. Now I'm sharing the screen. Now we'll open the analyzer. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's first we have to find out. There are in y direction we will give location first. I can give 1 and 2. Okay. These are the location I have given. Then I'll set up signal setup. I'll take process spectrum I require. So I'll take these two FRF and I'll take coherence and FRF, two data I'll measure here. Process spectra, yes, I'll take this. Now I'll measure sampling. Sampling I'll 800 frequency I'm taking. Now data point I'm taking, let's say 3200. I'm keeping my window panning, resolution 1/3, weighting, linear weighting. Average I'm taking 255. Then linear I'm taking this one. Then channel parameters. First one is force transducer, accelerometer. Third one is accelerometer. Now I'm using this CCLD. I'll use CCLD here. all CCLD.
So what is CCLD?
Constant current load distribution. Now I'll use here the sensitivity. So 10.12 second I'm giving 10.1. Actually every accelerometer has individual sensitivity. So here I'm giving 1. Now this sensitivity is less, so I give 5. I'm giving this one.
So we have connected two accelerometers.
Yes, two
But we
accelerometers
are
are
giving
connected. Yes.
this sensitivities for the
For
first one
port
is,
is 2.05. Okay.
and that is the impact hammer.
Ha.
The number one,
Number 1 is the
two
impact
and
number.
three are
Number 2
two
and
and three
number
are the
3 are
accelerometers.
accelerometer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So one student is waiting outside. Please allow him
Okay.
to
Okay.
join.
I'll do that. Okay. टाइम हमारे पास कम रह गया, इसीलिए मैं सोच रहा था इसको कर ही लेते हैं। चलो अभी रुक जाते हैं, फटाफट इसको हम कर ही लेंगे, 2-4 डाटा ले लेंगे ना तो अच्छा है। ये हमारा हो गया। नाउ डाटा आई एम सेविंग डाटा इन फॉर्म ऑफ यूएफएफ टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट. Okay, now I'll save my data to desktop. Now what type of signal I want is H1 coherence 2-1 and H3 3 channel with respect to 1. This is how it. So I'll save this data here. Now types of data, as I told, I'll use this data. Okay, these are ready now. Now I'll take this data. Now I'll take this one. Again, 2 data I'm taking at a time in a same graph, and another one is for the coherence. Okay, so coherence is this one, and another for third accelerometer this one. So I'm taking these 2. Okay. Now I'm starting here. First one I'm giving excitation. Data have been already saved. Now if you see, there is a coherence is, just wait, coherence I'll measure. Next point, I'll automatically this accelerometer has taken. So I'm again taking this data at different. You see, response is not quite good, but anyway, these are I'm taking here. Now again I'll taking a next point. Now it seems to be good. These are varying, but these are being automatically saved. Okay. Now next point I'm taking. These are saved. Now on the last point I'm taking here. Now this is first data I have taken here. I'll just take a file here and saving all this data in this file. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just taking the tip out. Okay. Now I just want to know again this.
सब वो ऐड कर दीजिए, वेट कर
मैं
रहा हूँ।
उसको एक बार और ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है. Now you can see data will be different, means excitations are different. Okay. So I'm taking this data also. We'll analyze them. Second, I'm taking this data also. Just wait. The next data I'm taking here. The last data I'm taking is on 5th position, that nearby 11 in. You see average data are taken here. That's why this FRF are changing. Okay. So this is how we used to take data. Now I'm closing it because I'm stopping the recording. Okay, I'll again rejoin just to explain few more things in Google Meet. I'll just send it. Okay.